Introducing the Sparkoz TN10 Floor Cleaner, your ultimate all-in-one cleaning solution. Transform your cleaning routine with Sparkoz, which is designed to make your floors sparkle effortlessly. Say goodbye to the hassle of juggling multiple cleaning tools with the all-in-one device that vacuums, mops, and scrubs. The TN10 is engineered to perfection and features advanced technology that ensures thorough cleaning for all types of flooring, from hard surfaces to carpets. Its sleek design combines efficiency with ease of use, making it the perfect companion for both quick cleanups and deep cleaning sessions. With Sparkoz, you'll enjoy features like powerful suction for extractions, a high-efficiency mopping system that leaves floors spotless and streak-free, eco-friendly cleaning with reusable microfiber pads, and reduced water usage. Elevate your cleaning experience and enjoy pristine floors with minimal effort. Upgrade to Sparkoz today and witness the brilliance of your floors like never before.